She's the owner of and co-founder of a pageant institute and a glamour magazine, a very women-oriented magazine. But both of them are online. In the new age era of the social media and everything going online and everything going in an e-commerce way, let's get to know more about this field and about her. Hello, Aarti. Welcome to our show.
Thank you so much, Nikita. Thank you for inviting me.
That's a pleasure. And so, tell me something about yourself.
Okay, so my name is Aarti, and currently I'm 25 years old. And when I started these organizations, I was quite young, 20 years old. So it was a completely new field for me because I was totally a person who is into education, sports, like completely don't know anything about like this glamour field, pageantry. And I introduced myself to the pageant world when I was in my second year of college. And after that, this journey started, like pageants. And after that, I started my organization during COVID. After that, Diva Planet magazine. So this is how things started.
So that means basically when you were in your college, as you said, after 20 years के थे when you started your pageant institute, right? And the magazine. आपने दोनों इकट्ठे start किया ना? So then, how did you get in touch with this thing? आप पहले इसमें participate करते थे as a model?
हाँ, इसका इंट्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट होता है when there is a function in my college and वहाँ पे pageant first time organize कराया गया था and I was completely new to this thing, but like our seniors introduced us with this new field and they asked me कि I should participate in this, and from there on the journey starts. Like
Right.
after that I participated in a pageant that organization that was an international organization. They operate from Australia. First time they are doing the pageant here in India when I participated. So I was in top 5 in that pageant. Later on I took the proper grooming and everything, and after that again I participated in a pageant in Hyderabad. And there I was first runner up.
So you had gone to Hyderabad. Like there was a physical.
Like both pageants were physical.
Okay.
First one is in Gurugram and the second one in Hyderabad.
Right.
So दोनों ही ऑफलाइन pageants थे जिसमें मैंने participate किया था. And after that, like हैदराबाद वाले के बाद में I started to explore new things. I just cut off myself from this pageant thing. I don't want to pursue this thing कि अभी मुझे और pageants करने हैं या और करना है. So I was like कि I think I'm not very much interested in the pageant. It was just like कि at
शौक के लिए करते थे.
वो age पे every girl is like कि they want to wear makeup, they want to go on stage. So yeah. After that, like when pandemic hits in 2020, so I was like totally free and also in my last year of college, so I thought let's just start something.
तो आपको इसी like ये idea कहाँ से आया that you wanna start your own pageant institute and your own magazine?
I got this idea when I went for the grooming. There I saw that setup and all the things okay, how entrepreneurs work, this is how entrepreneurs work, and I mean this is a good thing, it's good economically also good. You also get you don't need to work for someone, you don't
Right.
need to do private jobs and you don't need to go आपको 7 से 8 जाना है जो भी आपका जॉब होता है, right? So I thought कि why not to be a business owner,
Right.
why to work for others, why not work for yourself?
Right.
So from
So
there
being an entrepreneur was your dream.
it was not a dream, it was just like a spark which I get from the outside things. जो मैंने pageant किया, then मैंने grooming किया. After that I thought about this thing. Before that I was completely unaware कि entrepreneurship कुछ होता है, startup कुछ होता है, because 2020 के बाद ही when pandemic hits लोगों को startups के idea ज़्यादा आए हैं. You see, after 2020 startups बहुत ज़्यादा increase हुए हैं. Before that women was there in entrepreneurship but not that much. But at that
ऐसा तो नहीं है, women have been like there are successful women entrepreneurs in every field और startups भी रहे हैं. ये कि I think after COVID online startups
online
का
and
थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया.
there is a spike in the number of women. Before that there was definitely because it's not like कि पहली बार ऐसा कोई concept था. Online plus women entrepreneurs after 2020, if you will see the data, it has a great spike. Number just doubled.
Right.
So that was the thing.
That कि
कि
शांत।
कैसे बात होगा, कैसे लोग ट्रस्ट करेंगे, फर्स्ट टाइम ऑनलाइन आ रहे हैं एंड मुझे तो कोई नहीं जानता था, वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पुराना था, उनको तो बहुत लोग जानते थे, वो ऑफलाइन पेजेंट्स किए हैं, उनका एक बहुत बड़ा पेज है, लोग उनको फॉलो करते हैं, बट मुझे कोई फॉलो नहीं कर रहा था।
तो वो फियर था आपके माइंड में कि
डेफिनेटली इट वाज जस्ट लाइक अ यू नो आप बोल सकते हैं कि एक जस्ट आइडिया था कि ट्राई करके देखते हैं, आफ्टर दैट वरना पढ़ना तो है ही।
राइट।
सो एक स्टार्ट करने में क्या कर रहा है ऑनलाइन में, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, यू नो, दैट इज आल्सो अ पॉजिटिव पॉइंट दैट नाउ
लो इन्वेस्टमेंट।
you don't need to invest a lot nowadays
Right.
in business.
Right.
If you are online, if you know how it works, it is gonna be your thing.
So did you research before starting this online? Because I've not heard anything, you know, जो online pageant thing, online magazines I definitely know, but online pageant thing आपने कुछ research किया कि कैसे होता है या
Actually there is a pageant and वो हमारे जो official pageant है इंडिया के, वो उनके लिए girls भेजते हैं अपने winners को. So I know about that page and वो even before 2020 वो लोग ये pageants करा रहे
online
थे.
ही?
हाँ online ही. They select their winners, then उनके जो winners होते हैं वो वहाँ पे compete करते हैं हमारे Miss India के लिए, Femina Miss India के लिए. So I thought कि if like people are following these kind of things even before COVID, then now the time is like कि सब लोग free बैठे हैं and जो करना चाहता है वो करेगा, right? उनको financial वो नहीं होता है and obviously online में fee charges आपके कम होते हैं. So from there on I just like check out their page, check out things how they are working and I just got the idea. I also come to know कि कुछ advertisements भी हम लोग run कर सकते हैं with a minimum cost. You don't need to invest in that also.
हाँ social media पे you can do it.
So that is also a revolution because now you don't need to you know वो पर्चे नहीं छापने की जरूरत है.
Pamphlets, hoardings.
हाँ आपको उस चीज का नीड ही नहीं है अभी.
हाँ.
उस पे lakhs almost lakhs आप invest करते
Spend a
हो.
lot of money. हाँ.
And even आप targeted audience तक फिर भी नहीं पहुंच पाते हो. Instagram has given and Facebook has given that feature कि आप easily पहुंच सकते हो
Yeah,
आपकी
आप
audience
अपना
के
वो
पास.
shortlist कर सकते हो, filters लगा के फिर.
हम्म.
So that all that you knew. क्या आप खुद करते हो अपनी marketing भी?
Firstly I started myself but उसमें से मुझे वो जो result चाहिए था I don't get that result. So I met a girl, she's into this social media marketing and everything. I asked her कि how things work. So she said कि she will do these things.
So you hired someone.
हाँ, and when she started doing the marketing, like things went in a different way. So I feel that yes, you need a professional
The
person.
whole team जो specialize करता है उस अपनी field में और
Because you can't run an ad if you don't know how the things work.
basically आप one man army नहीं कर सकते हो, आपको multiple लोगों की
Because
जरूरत है.
they know कि आपको किस तरीके से target करना
हाँ.
है. हमें वो चीज नहीं पता.
हाँ, so then you have a whole team आपके पास जो भी आपके different segments हैं आपके काम में, you have special people for them in your team.
Like with time,
आपने
we help
increase
hire
करा.
people, right?
And as you told me that you've been बहुत ही like you were good in academics, I think you told me. तो आपकी family ने बोला नहीं कि academic के लिए आप इतने strong हो और leaving all that आप ऐसे glamour world में जा रहे हो और at such an age और how did you deal with that?
Actually, I'm lucky in this thing that my parents never doubted my capabilities. They never raised a question. They just one time they said कि आपका BSc हो गया, let's do post graduation as well ना. At least आपके हाथ में आपका post graduation भी होगा. So I was like नहीं मुझे अभी post graduation नहीं करना है. I want to go with this thing because मुझे वहाँ भी otherwise time invest करना पड़ेगा. And he's like कि चलो ठीक है तुम करो. We believe in you. We know कि आप कर लोगे ये चीज. तो they are completely okay. Even मैं तो तभी lucky हूँ जब उन्होंने मुझे first time pageant करने दिया because in my family no single girl in there in this kind of field or even not in even any other good field. Like hardly वहाँ से कोई निकलता है.
being a female and being at a very young age, you got all the support, emotionally, financially also, I'm sure, you know, rational support was very very important जो आपको मिला, उसकी वजह से you went on, जो आजकल नहीं मिलता है बहुत बारी, boys को तो फिर भी दे देते हैं, but girls को मुश्किल होता है. Like even like if we talk about bigger cities like Delhi, Mumbai, or you know like abroad, बहुत like ऐसे कुछ difference में देखती नहीं हूँ, but फिर भी being from a small and a conservative city and from a Gujarat community, I know how things are. But your parents have been, you know, very supportive.
Yeah, very supportive. And you see, the biggest support is like the emotional support of the parents, because it is
Because there are good days, there are bad days when होता होगा, you know, you wanna give up कि चीजें नहीं हो रही हैं.
And business is all about like ups and
Ups
downs.
and downs.
It is never like कि आपका business एक phase पे चलता है.
बिल्कुल.
Either it is me or any
Yeah.
millionaire, billionaire. Every one works like this कि आपका आज business बहुत अच्छा है, कल आपका नहीं है
हाँ.
अच्छा. So obviously ups and downs are there in my journey.
हाँ.
But like the only thing कि आप खड़े रहो, हम आपके साथ हैं.
हाँ.
That emotional support is enough. You know, you don't need to worry then for other things.
Right.
So yeah, I think emotional support is the most important thing that parents should give.
God. तो जिन लड़कियों को नहीं मिलता, because I know so many girls from small towns or bigger towns also कि नहीं, लड़कियों का क्या है कि बड़ा कर दो, पढ़ा दो, उसके बाद just get them married, कि हो गया, काम करने की जरूरत नहीं, you need to become a housewife या you know घर संभालो. तो what do you think कि ऐसा होना ठीक है, या I mean what do you think कि एक लड़की का एक रोल क्या होता है?
I think आज के टाइम में ना like अभी तो चीजें बहुत बदल चुकी हैं. लोग बोलते हैं कि अभी भी सेम मेंटालिटी के साथ चल रहे हैं कि नहीं आप घर संभालो, that is enough. I think आज के टाइम में it is very much important that a girl should be financially independent. If you are not financially independent, आपका उस घर में decision माना ही नहीं जाता. They are like कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, तो घर संभाल रहे हो.
हाँ, कि कोई वैल्यू नहीं करता है इसको.
It is not a story of कि सिर्फ town.
हाँ.
It's the story like from everywhere.
That's what I said कि बड़ी cities में भी होता है.
Because मैं हर दिन कम से कम 40 से 50 लड़कियों के साथ डील करती हूँ. हर दिन नए भी हैं, उसमें पुराने भी हैं. So I know the like mentality of the woman. Even I have come across those girls or those women जो working हैं. Because I know there is a principal. She's the principal of a school और वो बहुत बड़ा post होता है. Still she needs the permission of her husband to participate in that award. I mean, why? You are doing this thing for yourself. You are financially independent. Then why you should need the permission? You can like have a conversation with him. You can tell him, but the word which was like, I need to take the permission.
Yeah.
You are financially independent. What is the need? So I think आज के पेरेंट्स को ये चीज समझना चाहिए. अभी वो पहले वाला टाइम नहीं है. आप अपनी बेटी को पहले फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट करिए. आप उसको बाहर निकालिए, तभी वो जान पाएगी ना क्या चीजें हैं. So I think parents का support बहुत जरूरी है बाहर निकलने के लिए, कोई भी फील्ड हो आपका. So yeah, I think they should understand this because like you know अब ये चीजें बहुत बदल चुकी हैं.
Right. Support बहुत जरूरी है, and that way I mean it's always good to strike a balance कि अगर बाहर अगर men are working, female also, कि they're not, अगर इतना आपने पढ़ा दिया है, सब कर दिया है, तो why not कि काम क्यों नहीं
And
करना?
even if a girl you know अगर वो खुद से चाह रही है, वो हाउसवाइफ बनना चाहती है. मैंने काफी लोगों को देखा है कि वो चाहते ही नहीं है कि वो काम करें, you know, and वहाँ पे जबरदस्ती का women equality घुसाया जाता है. If someone is not interested, then it's totally fine. But the only thing which I find that men also should appreciate that thing कि their women, wife, sister जो भी उनकी हैं कि वो घर पे हैं, तो they also respect that thing कि वो पूरा दिन आपका घर संभालते हैं 24/7.
वो भी full time job है. It's a non-paid job, तो उसको value नहीं किया जाता, but it's a full time job.
Because government is also initiating in this thing कि care work को भी अभी economy में डाला जाएगा, because they also contribute to economy.
Right, exactly.
So एक वो चीज भी है कि लोग उस चीज को, उस प्रोफेशन को समझते ही नहीं है. वो भी कोई प्रोफेशन है. It's like ये इनका काम है.
ये तो take it for granted job मेरे को basically.
And I think जबरदस्ती का women equality वहाँ घुसा हो जहाँ पे कोई चाहता ही नहीं है करना, तो that is also a different thing, right?
Basically किसी को अगर spark है काम करने का, तो उसको help करना चाहिए. And we have such nice examples of good women entrepreneurs. ICICI Bank ले लो, you know, like so in every field you see aviation, you have pilots, captains, air hostesses,
Obviously,
every
in every
field where
field, right.
yeah, you have such good examples. Even in Bollywood you see like पहले क्या होता है actresses की life इतनी कम होती थी, अब तो they're heading production house, like Anushka Sharma for example heads a production house. You see Alia Bhatt, she's so young,
Yeah.
she's done so well for herself that way कि you know कि women have that spark which कम नहीं होते हैं as compared to the men.
It's just that काफी लोग को उस चीज को बाहर नहीं निकल पाते हैं, कुछ लोगों को सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है, कुछ को इमोशनल सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है, कुछ लोग फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रगल करते हैं, राइट? बिकॉज इट इज वेरी नेसेसरी कि बाहर आए, बाहर नहीं आएंगे तो कैसे जानेंगे कि बाहर क्या चल रहा है।
Exactly. Yeah, I really feel कई बारी male ego भी रहती है, you know, कई families में, you know, that I'm the man, मैं responsible हूँ to earn the bread and butter for the family, you know, the lady is not supposed कि वो क्यों जाए, you know, मैं that male ego को भी कई बारी कई लोग इतने shatter कर देते dreams कि वो काम करना है तो ladies को कि नहीं मिलता है support.
बिल्कुल, बिकॉज लाइक मेरा तो जो कम्युनिटी है वहाँ पे तो आप तो खुद गुड़गांव में रहते हैं, तो हरियाणा का ही पार्ट है, मैं भी हरियाणा से ही हूँ। सो यू सी हरियाणा में सेक्स रेशियो सबसे कम है, लड़की को पैदा ही नहीं होने दिया जाता है, आज भी बॉटम में आता है हरियाणा, राइट? विमेन सेफ्टी में भी कुछ अच्छा नहीं है। वुमेन अगर निकल भी रहे हैं तो आपके स्पोर्ट्स पे है, वो भी कुछ एक फैमिली से, अदरवाइज अभी निकल रहे हैं बट लाइक वही तो वहाँ पे मेल ईगो सबसे ज्यादा है। आई थिंक हमारे हरियाणा में सबसे ज्यादा पेट्रियार्की है।
Other
states में
smaller
भी है,
cities like like you know if you talk about Gurgaon, like what I really like was we also recently shifted कि वहाँ बहुत ही corporate culture है। वहाँ पे रात को 1 बजे भी अगर कोई निकलती है, कोई लड़की wearing anything from shorts or like skirts, no problem because सब बहुत educated crowd है वहाँ पे।
but still see
So
in Delhi it's,
section
the
Delhi is
opposite.
bad. I mean, and even Kolkata, like we know the recent cases. So women's safety तो है नहीं. That's another issue, obviously. Major.
The parents also like scared of this thing कि अगर वो अपनी बच्ची को भेजें तो कुछ बात ना हो जाए, so that also a factor. And male ego तो सबसे ऊपर होता ही है because still our society is dominated by the males, right? Females का सही नहीं होता है decision में, family decisions में।
पहले से अब में बहुत difference आया है. I really feel कि पहले तो like if you talk maybe 30 years from now तो like probably you know from my parents generation तो बस ठीक है housewife 1 out of maybe 50 you know काम करती थी, बाकी तो ठीक है housewife अब आप लगा लो तो 40 out of 50 कर लेते हैं कि हाँ 10 का ही रह गया कि नहीं काम कराना है, बैलेंस भी कर लेते हैं. उस तरीके से चेंज है बट फिर भी वो चेंज नहीं है जो जैसे if you compare abroad वहाँ तो सभी equally working है. Even men they are working, they help you know their wives in groceries या cleaning या क्या. अभी recently मैं बाहर गई थी तो मैंने वही देखा, I was there for like 3 weeks, I was in the US और वहाँ पे सब हेल्प करते थे equally. ये नहीं है कि अगर supposedly kids को भी स्कूल से लेके आना छोड़ना है तो वो भी करेंगे. It manage कि आज आप लोग यहाँ इंडिया में नहीं है ऐसा.
वो I think जो upbringing करते हैं ना boys का अपने बच्चों का, that play a very big role. Because आपको बेटे को बचपन से सिखाया जाता है कि आप सिर्फ आपका काम करो, बट जो बहन होती है उसको सिखाया जाता है आप सबका काम करो. भाई को सिखाया जाता है कि आपसे कम है, यही सिखाया जाता है. And it's a harsh
कि मैं ना बहुत पावरफुल.
हाँ,
लड़कियों
को रोना नहीं है, लड़कियां तो वीक जेंडर होती हैं. वो उनके दिमाग में जब आप बचपन से ही भरोगे तो how they are going to be a grown up man in their later on life, right? They will treat the woman जो भी उनकी लाइफ में होगी inferior कि ये तो काम करने के लिए. So I think parents and like school and teaching institutes play a very big role in shaping the you know the character of a person, चाहे वो लड़का हो या लड़की हो. And the very first duty is of definitely for the parents. उन्हें समझना चाहिए कि दोनों ही जेंडर इक्वल हैं. आप एक बार देखे तो देखिए वो चीज. My parents have given that thing. My brother is at my home but I am staying here, right? And they have given me that power. And
you move out and be on your own.
Do your things. And he's very happy that I'm financially independent. He always said कि I'm proud of that thing कि आपको कल को किसी के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं रहना पड़ेगा. मुझे सबसे अच्छा ये चीज लगता है
कि आपने been married, आपको कि
अभी भी नहीं, आपको अभी भी मुझ पे भी नहीं डिपेंड रहने की जरूरत है. आपको आगे किसी के ऊपर डिपेंड रहने की जरूरत है. आप खुद इतने हो कि आप कर सकते हो. So that thing they teach my brother कि कैसे रिस्पेक्ट करना है women का. He knows almost all the household work.
आपका ब्रदर करता था. आपका फैमिली एटमॉस्फेयर ही इक्वालिटी का रहा है since this time.
बिल्कुल. Like even I don't know how to make chapati, he knows how to make chapati.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so I think that is the basic thing. अगर आप वहाँ से शुरुआत करेंगे तो चीजें तभी बदलेंगी. You know, government initiatives उनसे changes हो सकते हैं, but
हाँ.
big changes अगर आप expect कर रहे हैं, आपको खुद start करना
हाँ.
पड़ेगा. आप अपने घर से start करें.
Right, exactly. वो क्या बोलते हैं, charity begins at home.
अगर आप अपने घर से ही नहीं कर रहे और आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कोई और करे आपके बदले, तो वो भी यही सोचेंगे कि हमारे बदले कोई और करे.
कोई और करे.
So वो चीज़ है.
Examples, कोई तो example set करेगा ना, start करके.
Right.
And again, like the best thing is your family being from a small town, वो वहाँ पे भी like लोग बोलते होंगे, I'm sure, you know, कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, और you know, you're sending your daughter out, और आपका बेटा घर पे है, बोलते होंगे बहुत लोग, तो चलना काम है.
लाइक आते हैं कि अरे उसको बाहर रखा हुआ है, लड़के को यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है, उसको इसको बाहर भेजो, वो क्या कर रही है, वो पढ़ाई क्यों नहीं कर लेती है, सिर्फ इस काम को भी क्यों कर रही है. तो माय पेरेंट्स आर लाइक कि वो हमारी बच्ची है, हमें देखना है, आप अपना काम करिए.
That's very nice. That's the best answer.
या
Mind your own business.
हाँ, आपको क्या लेना देना है. आप यहाँ पे रहने के लिए मुझे भेजे हैं,
हाँ.
आप मुझे यहाँ रहने के लिए कभी
हाँ.
पैसे दिए, then
हाँ.
why are you talking about all these
हाँ.
things, right? And right, but I think I also become the example in my place, because when I like after I move out here, or like even for my graduation, I saw a lot of girls are coming out from that day. Out of jealousy, out of what, it doesn't matter, but they are coming out because they said like अरे उनकी लड़की बाहर रह रही है, हम भी भेजते हैं. That thing.
वो एक कंपैरिजन हो जाता है ना, कि कंपैरिजन कह रहे हो, एग्जांपल सेट करने को कह रहे हो, तो एक वो जो शैकल्स थे कि लड़कियां नहीं जाएंगी बाहर, वो आपने काइंड ऑफ
हाँ, थोड़ा
Start
बहुत
किया.
अभी
Yeah,
at least स्टार्ट तो हुआ है. अभी वो कितना फ्रूटफुल होता है, कितना नहीं, that depends.
तो हाँ, तो आपसे पहले भी आपकी कम्युनिटी में ऐसा था, आपके आसपास यू नो समवन मूव्ड आउट जिससे इंस्पायर होके आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको जाने दिया, या ऐसे सब वो करने दिया, क्योंकि खुद ही था स्टार्टिंग से नहीं बिल्ड हुआ है.
और मुझे शुरू से ही
कोई इसमें
हमने कभी नहीं देखा. मतलब इवन जितने भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं फ्रॉम स्कूल टाइम, ग्रेजुएशन, यू सी आई एम जस्ट 25, so मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी सेम एज ग्रुप के होंगे. दे ऑल आर मैरिड, ऑलमोस्ट ऑल आर मैरिड. जस्ट फ्यू आई नो कि उनका शादी नहीं हुआ, बट ऑल आर सेटल्ड. एंड आई थिंक इट्स फाइन अगर वो सेटल होना चाहते हैं तो,
हाँ.
बट आई डोंट वांट टू सेटल विद लेस थिंग्स.
हाँ.
I want to be a successful person since my childhood. When I was in sports, I had that dream that I want to play for my country. That time also, I had that thing that I want to be successful. Just be age.
किसी भी फील्ड में आप हो, you wanna excel in that field. That's
I don't want to be at home after my 12th.
typical housewife. आपको
हाँ.
नहीं होना है.
नहीं,
You plan to be working.
Yeah, even my father is again play a very big role in this thing, क्योंकि बचपन से ही उन्होंने हमें ये सिखाया है, आप पढ़ाई करो, गेम भी खेलो. लाइक आजकल के पेरेंट्स हैं या पहले भी पेरेंट्स हैं, वो स्पोर्ट्स में नहीं इतना अपने बच्चे को
हाँ.
भेजते हैं, बट ही इज लाइक आप पढ़ाई करो, खेलो, आपके पास दो ही तो काम है,
हाँ.
आपके पास और क्या काम
हाँ.
है. सो दैट थिंग. सो उससे पहले तो हम लोगों ने तो नहीं देखा था कि कोई बाकी निकला है. मेरी ही फैमिली में कोई निकला हो, कोई भी नहीं. आस पड़ोस में भी कोई नहीं था. I was the very first person जो वहाँ से निकले थे. And मतलब मेरे friends भी निकले थे काफी, जो दिल्ली भी पढ़े हैं, अदर जगह पे भी पढ़े हैं. All are like now, I think settled in their life.
Right.
So it just because कि मैं भी चाहती थी, मेरे पापा भी चाहते थे, and like that's how it was.
It all helped. So coming back to your magazine now. Now yours is the online magazine, ना? तो how do you plan up, कैसे like strategize करते हो कि how do we keep up with the changing trends in the social media, या you know it's a glamour world, या because हर दिन कोई ना कोई new trend आता है, या तो how do you strategize कि हम ये करते हैं, ये करते हैं.
See, आप जैसा बोले कि it's very important to come up with new things every time, because if you're doing the same thing, people will get bored.
Yeah.
Right? People will get exhausted कि अभी इसमें तो कुछ आ ही नहीं रहा है, ये सिर्फ हम इतना सा करके क्या करें. So like with my team, I just have a few suggestions कि किस तरीके से करना
usually
that they only want. Later on also we added our website कि चलो website पे भी उनके blogs डालते हैं, written blogs जो होते हैं, and then Insta पे भी we started कि चलो थोड़ा और other तरीके से promote करते हैं, reels के format में promote करते हैं. So this is how थोड़ा changes हम लोग करते रहते हैं.
it's a mix of everything. Do you have an editor also on board?
Yeah.
जो सब edit करते हैं आपके लिए करते हैं?
He is a very professional person. Like even whenever we do covers for the celebs, like you know celebs how they
Yeah.
they print out every single detail कि ऐसे नहीं हुआ ऐसे नहीं हुआ. But I never found this thing with my magazine. Like every time they when I send them design या मेरे editor भेजते हैं अगर वो deal कर रहे हैं तो they are very happy with the designs. So
If the
that
changes has
they are like कि we are so happy you are doing the best designing, you are doing the best editing. So I think that is the best thing we get. Like हम उनको feature कर रहे हैं वो तो बड़ी बात है ही, but जो उनकी तरफ से हमें reviews मिलते हैं ना, that matters a lot. Like recently I told you तनुज बिलवानी को हमने cover किया था. He is coming in Murshid on CV5 अभी उनका 31st को ही I think आज ही launch है as much I am concerned. So he just also love our work. And he's coming with KK Menon. He is a mega star, and and he like Tanuj also had done a lot of things, and उनकी तरफ से इस तरीके के reviews मिलना it's a very big thing for us. So yeah.
ये सब help करते हैं, motivate करते हैं.
So I think our editor played a very big role in our magazine because जो starting में जो हमारे लिए editing करते थे, so उनका design लोगों को नहीं पसंद आया था. So we have to change the concept.
How did you get to know कि नहीं पसंद आ रहा था?
Feedback. You see, firstly, I'm not getting that design है कि मुझे आँख में देखते ही एकदम से पसंद आ जाए. You know, वो एक वो होता है कि अरे नहीं, this is the best.
हाँ.
Later on, I shared with people also, and I thought कि let's take the feedback because people's feedback are very important. अभी भी मैं लेती रहती हूँ बीच-बीच में कि कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है लोगों को कुछ बुरा लग रहा हो, कुछ पसंद नहीं आ रहा हो, कुछ वो चाहते हो मैं डॉन करें. So when I take the feedbacks, so then I get to know कि what people are really looking for. कि उनको किस तरीके का designing चाहिए. अलग-अलग हमने individual feedbacks को उठाया and we see the common thing. कि basically कहाँ हम लोग lack कर रहे हैं designing में. You see, after that we come up with the new editor, with the new designing, and after that things went very well.
Feedback पे basically how
I think entrepreneurs working on the feedbacks.
हाँ.
You know, अगर आप उस पे work नहीं कर रहे हैं then you are not a good entrepreneur.
So Aarti, do you have something interesting, something inspiring, जो कोई incident जो आपको याद हो अभी तक आपकी journey में in terms of your magazine or pageants that some a good incident which is inspiring for someone जो आपको याद हो for life?
I think as in our magazine I told you we feature the different stories of the women, right? And I come across 3 or 4 stories of women who faced cancer, almost the last stage cancer, and one has faced domestic violence also, and she come out, she deal with the situation. So I think that's very inspiring for me as well as a woman. कि वो cancer is like आपको लगता है कि पता नहीं आप बचेंगे या नहीं बचेंगे, but still you are dealing with it and आप उससे bravely बाहर आ रहे हैं, and you see आप domestic violence जैसी चीज से बाहर आ रहे हैं. So these stories are very inspiring for me as well. Like whenever I feel like कि कैसे होगा कैसे नहीं होगा, whenever I thought कि let's quit, so these stories also come in my mind कि when these women are not quitting, जो इतना physically face कर रही हैं, emotionally they are going through a turmoil,
Mental
then
harassment.
how can I do?
Right.
So we come across a lot of stories which are like very very inspiring, like self-made women icons.
So how do you approach such people या they approach you? कैसे shortlist करते हो, कैसे ढूंढते हो ऐसी stories?
They approach us. We never come to any
You never
person.
approach anybody.
No.
People approach you to cover their stories.
Yeah, because see we go with the advertisement. हमारा हमेशा ऐसा होता है कि festival हो कुछ भी हो और advertisements completely running daily. They are running like on daily basis we are investing amount. So people only like come to us. They share their story. Then we shortlist the stories. Like we because we only cover saw the things. Obviously अभी तो इतना टाइम से हम वर्क कर रहे हैं, प्रोफाइल ऑलरेडी बहुत अच्छा बन चुका है, वेबसाइट है, कोई गूगल करना चाहता है गूगल कर लेता है. So they saw the thing, they find it interesting, they come to us, and later on we do it.
Any hardships that अभी तो भी अच्छी it's any hardships that you've faced so far, कभी लगा कि नहीं हो पा रहा है और कैसे आपने ओवरकम किया?
I think the biggest hardship was the starting only. You know, once
तो अभी हमने बात करा.
आप जब स्टार्ट करते हो, that is the biggest thing. आपके मन में fear भी होता है. आप business start कर रहे हो, you really don't know people are going to love it or not, right? आपके लिए disastrous भी हो सकता है. If I'm investing 1 year, 2 year, कल को मेरे पेरेंट्स हो सकता है मुझे कहते थे आप इस टाइम पे पढ़ाई करते तो maybe you will be at other
Right.
place, right? So starting में because मेरे पास ऐसा कोई नहीं था जो मुझे बता सके कि business कैसे start करना है, right? मेरे अमाउंट भी ऐसा है कि काफी बार ऐसा फंस गया है कि लोगों को समझ आ गया था she is new, she don't know how to do things, so चलो इनको बता देते हैं ऐसे ऐसे करना है, right? And कुछ भी बता दिया कि इतना अमाउंट लगेगा इतना लगेगा, तो अमाउंट भी मेरा ऐसा नहीं है गया नहीं, अमाउंट भी गया है. लोग पागल बनाते हैं जब आपको नहीं पता होता है, ना.
Newcomers को.
Yeah, so वो चीज़ भी हुआ है. And I don't have anyone जो मुझे बता सके कि बिजनेस ऐसे रन करते हैं, और आज के टाइम में तो ऐसे करते हैं. अभी तो सोशल मीडिया आ गया है. I was like I have learned all the things myself. My parents are like they are very innocent. They only can say कि आप कर लो, आपको अमाउंट चाहिए we can give. They are not aware.
बाकी आपका काम है.
हाँ, they don't know about business. तो वो सारी चीजें मुझे खुद से ही करनी पड़ी. वही सबसे बड़ा हार्डशिप था मेरे लिए कि एक ऐसे बैकग्राउंड से आना जहाँ कोई ऐसा है नहीं, बिना किसी मेंटरशिप के उसमें उतरना, और ऑब्वियसली बिजनेस तो है ही सबसे बड़ा रिस्क, उसमें उतरना. दीज आर द बिगेस्ट हार्डशिप बिकॉज लेटर ऑन तो आप हैबिचुअल हो जाते हो. हाँ, सो I think that's
So have you ever thought of covering your own story in your magazine? Because आपकी journey में जितना भी मैंने सुना है, it's pretty inspiring. Have you ever published your own story?
I never published my story. Even like I was active on social media. Later on, I deleted all the accounts because I really don't find to be active on social media a lot. So even now, people who know me, जो मेरे status देखते हैं WhatsApp पे, they ask me like, why don't you cover yourself? Why don't you cover your story? Where we get to know about you? Do you have any Insta handle? Do you have any FB handle? So I'm like, no, I'm not having. And I really never thought till now कि मैं अपना coverage करूँ. Really, I never thought. I like people ask me, but अभी तक तो नहीं सोचा है. Let's see.
You definitely can. Just a suggestion.
I will try.
It will help people.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. Like I just give a very small introduction of me in the starting of the magazine. I don't know अभी वो जा भी रहा है नहीं जा रहा है because my editor is handling all the things. In the starting there was
Right.
just a few lines about me and my pic so that people can know about the founder. That's it.
Right.
इससे ज़्यादा तो I don't think so. I have given something.
You are a co-founder, right? It's you and your brother who handle it together.
Yeah, I am the founder. He joined later. He is managing the rest.
Both the things. And one more thing I really want to ask is, like in the pageants, that's what I have heard, and I see people talking about it. मेरे को नहीं पता कितना true है, कितना false है. Like the environment in the fashion shows or in the pageants is not very healthy for women. कि it's like a trap कि हर तरीके के लोग मिलते हैं और वो आपको bait set करते हैं कि ये है वो है, और फिर लड़कियां फंस भी जाती हैं कहीं. तो ये true है या सिर्फ सुनी सुनाई? Because आप तो participant भी रहे हो, आपने participant के view से भी देखा, and you've आप उसकी business point of view से भी, on the other end, you've experienced both the ends. So yeah, throw some light on that.
So it's like very true. Like the stories you heard. Even recently there is a committee, Hema committee. तो वो अभी मलयालम इंडस्ट्री में जो भी women के ये scandals चल रहे हैं उसके लिए बैठा है. So you see उसमें बहुत सारे cases खुल के आए हैं सामने कि किस तरीके से casting couch and everything that happens. So like that industry, pageant industry is almost on the parallel lines. You see, as a participant, I have faced this thing with that person only who was the owner of that pageant.
Okay.
Yeah, and not with me, but other girls also, right? And even I saw other girls also जो मेरे pageant में participate की हैं. They come with some incident and they come to me, मैम ऐसा ऐसा हुआ है.
Previously.
Yeah, because see, I am the female founder, and they are talking नहीं होता है उससे. Winner, first runner up बनने के बाद भी you have to work hard to survive in this industry. Also with that party culture, and because I'm not a party person, so I don't like that. Like it's my individual view. Everyone has their own. So that was also that's also a reason. Like me, a lot of girls don't want that party culture, right? So pageantry में वो भी कहीं ना कहीं associated है. आज आपका press conference है, evening में आपका then party है, आपका pool party, आपका ये है. They're also like
So then you meet people, you make contacts, तो वो बुलाते हैं.
obviously, and why they will provide you something in free.
Yeah.
Right, so like I think both industries are on parallel line, and बस ऐसा है कि मूवी इंडस्ट्री में निकल के आ जाते हैं, पैजेंट्री में फिर भी बहुत कम लोग निकल के आते हैं या बोलते हैं,
हाईलाइट नहीं करते हैं.
हाँ, बट दैट्स वेरी ट्रू. कुछ लोग वॉलंटरली जाते हैं, कुछ लोग प्रेशर में, या कुछ लोग नहीं जाते हैं. दैट डिपेंड्स, बट आई फील दैट जो भी मेन ऑर्गेनाइजर्स होते हैं, दे ऑलमोस्ट लाइक,
And there are some female who give it कि ठीक है और कुछ होते हैं जो पक्के रहते हैं कि नहीं, we will not give in morals पर या ethics पर. तो are those kind of people जो ऐसी females होती हैं जो नहीं give in करती कि हम पक्के रहेंगे अपने ethics पे, morals पे, values पे, और क्या वो successful होती हैं?
I'm one of the example. I have seen that thing, like that person, that organizer, he was asking a favor, you know. Even when I worked with him, that time also he was asking a favor. I just want that video also reach to him because that gives a like that was a very negative impact on my mind. Very negative. I was almost like slip into a thing कि ना मैं काम कर पा रही हूँ, ना मैं वो चीज़ छोड़ पा रही हूँ. Later on, like मैंने अपने भाई को, पापा को इस बारे में बताया, and like they handled him very in a good way. He will remember that thing. Yeah. So obviously, like आप even there are a lot of examples in Bollywood also, like जिन्होंने इस सब चीज़ को मना किया है casting couch में, and they are like very successful. You really don't need to give yourself to someone to be successful. A lot of ways there. If you are talented, you are going to shine.
The talent shows up.
Maybe time लगे, but it will show up.
हाँ,
You
slow.
don't- yeah, it will be slow definitely. आपको अगर easy success चाहिए तो वो तो आपको मिल
वो
जाएगा.
shortcut है,
हाँ.
give in.
Easy success if you are looking for, then you can go. If you are a person who is high in value and in your morals, then I think you should go for your things. Yeah. I think there is a message for the girls also. अगर आप कभी भी face करते हैं ये सब चीज़ें, आपके साथ भी होती हैं, just raise your voice, and इस तरीके से लोगों के trap में फंस के भी you are not going to get anything. It's just like for a small success. या pageant में winner बन गए, but आप उसके बाद भी तो आपको कुछ करना पड़ेगा.
कि वो on and on चलेगा, वो favoritism और
और आप एक बार इस चीज़ में फंस गए ना, you are going to be into this thing for
कि
life.
normal है, आदत हो जाती है.
Right. That's why parents, are like scared for this field कि ऐसा ही होता है. So ये misconception नहीं है, it is true. ऐसा होता है. And I think these things also a factor कि मैंने छोड़ दिया था इसको, because I was not happy. I was not satisfied with that thing. I was not satisfied to work under someone.
Right.
And with a lot of burden कि ये करो वो करो, right? So I think yeah, if someone is going through this kind of turmoil, they should come up, they should raise their voice, and if you want to do something, आप कर लेंगे. You don't need any support. इस तरीके का.
So then what I understand is अगर कोई like some pageant में somebody is coming first, second or runner up, तो वो सब favors लेके आए.
Sometimes not. You see, because we really don't know what is going on behind the screen, right? You don't know कि कितना scripted है, कितना नहीं है, pageants कितने real हैं, कितने नहीं हैं, because real pageants अभी बहुत कम बचे हैं. अभी everything is economical कि बस पैसा आना चाहिए. आपका fee 1.5 लाख 2 लाख है. चलिए Femina Liga का समझ में आता है, they are the national pageants, they are sending their girls to international pageants, right? But why are the other organizations charging this much? Right? Why you are charging in lakhs? You see, lakhs is a very big amount. Not every girl can give this much amount. And when I come to know about this thing, I was just completely quit from this field. I'm not going to invest this much amount. And for what? Just for few years? someone is like कि उसके पास बहुत पैसा है तो why she will be like to go for the favorism?
हाँ.
She will go with the money thing.
हाँ.
Yeah, I'm giving you the amount. Let's make
Give me the title.
Women are also like this, ना?
हाँ.
आप खुद चाहते हो कि आपको पैसे देके टाइटल मिल जाए,
हाँ.
and then you are saying women equality. So yeah, I think 90% of pageants, which I feel,
Are scripted.
I don't have the facts and the data because इसमें से बहुत कम लोग ये चीज बाहर रखते
बोलते
हैं,
हैं.
right? So I don't have a proper facts and data, but yeah, I feel that almost 90% pageants are like that.
Any messages for the budding models या जिनको इस industry में आना है? Any advice from your end? First, as a participant, and second, two advices from a business point of view also.
I think the very first, if someone wants to become a model, see, first of all, people have a misconception that you should look good only, then only you can be a model. Model is also of very different type. Right? You see, right? Plus size models are there, lean are there, dark skin, light skin, right? And people think that this is also a misconception कि आपने एक pageant किया and you're gonna be a runway model. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है.
On and on.
Right? And they think कि अगर pageants वाले लोग बोल रहे हैं कि आपको ये चीजें मिलेंगी, तो वो आपको चीजें मिलेंगी. That is also a misconception. आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा वर्क.
अपना बात खुद बनाओ.
ऐसा नहीं आपने pageant में win किया, and I know a lot of winners जो win किए मेरे ही साथ win किए या top 3 में थे, top 2 में थे, winner थे. They are doing small things, or I don't know, doing or not doing. I was not the winner, but still I'm doing good
हाँ.
in my particular field. So I feel कि a lot of misconceptions are there. आप पहले अच्छे से जाने समझें उस field पर, उसके बाद उसमें आए, because this field is like very risky, right? And young minds are very easy to mold, right? अभी कोई ऐसा तो है नहीं 30 के बाद तो बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो इस फील्ड में जाते हैं. Mostly girls are like 15, 16, after 18 they start. They are the very young minds, and anyone can easily manipulate them,
हाँ.
right? And secondly, business point of view से also I would say कि if you have the idea, you really don't need a proper degree. This is also again a misconception that you should be a IIT holder, some MBA degree holder from a reputed college. But I think if you have the idea, you really don't need any degree. I'm a person from a science background, and I don't have a basic knowledge of the business. I haven't done MBA. My parents asked me, let's do MBA if you want to go in business. I was like, it's fine. I know how to do it.
You don't feel the need of.
Yeah, I don't need a specific degree to be called an entrepreneur. I know my idea, I know how it's gonna be work, and this is how I implemented it. So you really don't need a degree if you want to be an entrepreneur. You just need an idea and the way you want to implement it. So this is the basic thing the girl should know, or the boy also should know.
कि degree won't guarantee you success.
Obviously it not.
That's
Degree even don't guarantee you the job nowadays. You see कितना unemployment है country में.
बहुत slow है.
BA, MBA, बहुत सारे degree holders हैं, but they are not able to get the jobs, right? And so your talent matters.
Talent है तो हाँ, there's no looking back. There's no
Yeah.
stopping.
If you are talented, if you have your ideas, if you know how it's gonna be work, if you know the things, then you're gonna be a successful entrepreneur. Probably it will take time, obviously, because this is not a thing कि आप 1 या 2 दिन में कर लेते हैं. Years लग जाते हैं, हमें 4 साल हो गए, and still we are new,
हाँ.
right? Still people come and can ask us कि आप पे हम कैसे trust करें. अभी भी not regular basis पे, but कभी-कभी आके पूछ लेते हैं कि how we trust you. So obviously business takes time.
So just tell me one thing. I'm sure everybody would love to know about this thing. कि online pageants का मतलब क्या होता है? Like I mean I have that confusion कि like सब लोग इकट्ठा gather होते हैं, फिर उसकी shoot होती है, and then you publish it, या सब अलग-अलग से models रहती हैं. Like how do you do it?
Okay. So see, जैसा आपका offline pageant होता है, same it also the thing कि आपका offline में जैसे auditions होते हैं, firstly online में भी auditions होते हैं. वो
On camera.
वो physical होते हैं, वो हम Zoom call पे करते हैं.
Okay.
जो भी हमारे auditions होते हैं, auditions में से we shortlist the person जिनको हमें select करना है for being the finalist. उसके बाद में जब वो finalist बनते हैं, there are rounds जो offline pageants में होते हैं, वो सामने very technical. People see online things are easy, but these are very technical. आप जिससे मिले भी नहीं हो, आपको वो सारी चीजें उन्हें समझानी पड़ रही है, राइट? कि आपका नंबरिंग है, आपको ऐसे आना है, ऐसे जाना है. I took the Zoom calls. I told the girls कि आपको रैंप इस तरीके से सोचना है अपने माइंड में, इस तरीके से रहेगा. उनको ड्रेसिंग कोड्स दिए जाते हैं. And this is
तो सब मान लो 5 मॉडल्स हैं फॉर एग्जांपल, दे आर ऑल इन देयर रिस्पेक्टिव प्लेसेस, वो अपने घर पे या जहाँ पे भी अपनी एनवायरनमेंट होते हैं, सब अलग अलग से होता है, और साथ ही वो कंबाइंड जूम कॉल चल रहा होता है एज अ कॉम्पिटिशन.
Yeah, and even it's not like people thought कि online pageant से क्या ही कर लेंगे. We have the winners जो online pageant में हमारे winners रहे, and then later on they represented at national level, and they even praise our organization because of us they are at that place, because our pageant was their first pageant. Like there is Dr. Navjot Kaur, she was winner of Mrs. India Earth. And she was also the winner in our platform. There is a girl, Mrs. Shweta Singh. She was winner in a pageant जो कि दैनिक जागरण ने मतलब कंडक्ट कराया था, right? So people raise the question कि आपने कैसे winner बनाया. Later on जब वो represent किए offline pageants में, they come to know कि कैसे हम लोगों ने winner बनाया, right? Even in online pageant, people come to us, let's take the amount and make us winner. I mean, why you want to be winner in an online pageant?
That's what I was about to ask, कि आपका भी scripted रहता है कि नहीं?
It's totally raw. It's totally
Judges
raw.
totally decide.
That's the thing people love about it. I face that thing. How can I be the same? मैंने वो चीज़ देखा है कि किस तरीके से मैनिपुलेट किया जाता है. मैंने वो चीज़ भी देखा है कैसे अमाउंट लेके विनर बनाया जाता है. जो मेरे इमोशंस के साथ हुआ है, why I would be कि किसी अदर लड़की के साथ हो. That was my like basic concept when I started pageant कि the things which I have faced in my pageant, no other girl is going to face that thing. And people know कि our decision are very thing कि जिसको बनाया है वो deserving candidate है. जिसको first runner बनाया, that is deserving for first runner. And later on they proved that thing. And they said that thing on stage कि because of them we are here. And that is the biggest thing for us, what we all want, right? So
Like it feels so nice to hear things about.
obviously like people are going to that organization जो आज से 10-12 साल पहले establish हो चुकी है, जिसमें मैंने participate किया है, जिसमें मैं top 5 में थी. वहाँ पे वो जा रहे हैं and in their introduction they are saying we are from Crown Times, and they are like, oh, Crown Times, she's Aarti na, she also worked with us. So I think that is success for me. I am very happy with that thing. I don't want कि बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे तो lakhs में amount दीजिए. जो वो चीज़ें वापस वहीं circulate होके आ रही है ना, that I
This is the definition of success.
Yeah, for me this is success.
Recognition, not money, but money follows. But money follows. But main thing is recognition.
Yeah, people are knowing who is Crown Times, and I just want कि लोग मुझे मेरे organization के नाम से ही जाने, मेरे नाम से ना जाने, it's totally fine. But yeah, I want कि if someone is there is a pageant in Gurgaon, and there is a participant in the Gurgaon. So she asked that pageant organization कि आप क्या दे रहे हैं हमें? तो they said कि हम आपको ना Diva Planet magazine में feature देंगे. And she said, अरे वो तो हमारा ही magazine है almost, हम उसमें 3 से 4 बार feature हो चुके. So I think that matters कि जहाँ पे भी अगर कोई कुछ बोले तो people at least know about us. Who's that? Right. That is.
So like your magazine, it's like nationally circulated या बाहर भी जाता है, like क्या circulation है? How do you?
We mostly circulated via online portals. We don't circulate it in offline format. That is the old way.
That I know.
Yeah. People like don't like to read the magazines now on in their hands. So it's like online. Like we have a website, and उस पे we have proper team जो work करती है, जो उसके viewers को बढ़ाती है, जो उसकी readings को बढ़ाती है. So this is how we circulate the things. And also like people also share their stories, तो उनके भी followers उस story को पढ़ रहे हैं ना, उनको जान रहे हैं, magazine को जान रहे हैं.
नहीं तो इसको circulate like आप अपनी website के through social media.
Yeah, website and social media
के through करते हो.
Yeah, that is the best way to circulate your thing now.
So then there's no fixed reach, वो कहीं पे भी
Anybody, like nationally, internationally. Many people are there who are in other countries and they are reading our magazine. They are reading their own stories, but they are living abroad. So yeah, like in almost everywhere you can read it.
How further like do you plan to share कर सकते हो?
I think for now I'm just waiting for my exam results. So let's see what will happen because I am into my exam journey also. So I just want ki let's see what will be the result of that, and after that I will thought of the expansion because that depends. Because then my brother is going to take over the things if I'm going to select in the exam.
You preparing for IIS, no? Civil
Yeah,
services
yes,
you told me.
yeah.
हाँ तो अभी वो कि इसके बाद अगर क्रैक हो जाता है, how will you manage your magazine? Because
Then
if
my
you
brother is going to take over the thing.
both the things.
Yeah. Then that's why I have taken him into this thing because I know probably later on I can switch to something. So I don't want कि ये बंद हो. And I asked my brother कि let's get into this thing. And you also learn how things work. So अभी जो भी हमारी मीटिंग्स होती हैं, जो भी होती हैं, I want कि वो भी उसमें रहे, वो सीखे, समझे कैसे चल रहा है. So I want कि ये बंद ना हो, ये चलता रहे because लोग ट्रस्ट करते हैं, वो बहुत बड़ी बात है. एंड बिजनेस में ट्रस्ट डेवलप करना इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग. एंड मैंने उसे बहुत टाइम दिया है, नर्चर दिस लाइक माय चाइल्ड ओनली. सो ऑब्वियसली expansion we want to do, but after some time.
So I want to ask, like you being a like a bright student academically या sports में, उसके बाद फिर आप इसमें आए pageantry और entrepreneurship में, अब आप वापस like you're studying and you're prepping for your civil services exam के shift क्यों वापस?
I think I always like want to be in education, but I don't know in between after my college I was like no, I don't want to be in education. Probably I want to be financially stable. That can also be a thing. I can't say for now. But I feel that I have that zeal for reading, so I just want to give that thing also a chance. I also have that dream in my childhood, but I don't know how to pursue it. You know, I don't know how to get into this exam. था कि हाँ ऐसा करना है, but with the time वो fade होता चला गया, पता नहीं था कैसे करना है, कैसे नहीं करना है. But later on when I come to Delhi, I again introduced with this thing. I again started reading and all these things, and the interest switched to that thing. Because it's not like अभी मेरा इसमें interest नहीं है, I want to don't do this thing. ये भी है, मैं इसे कभी ऐसे नहीं छोड़ती हूँ अपने काम को कि नहीं ये नहीं करना है. I'm just doing a balance right now. Yeah. But yeah, later on अभी के लिए for at least for 1 or 2 years I don't want to expand it further. I mean I don't want to commit offline.
Yeah.
With offline things. I just want to focus on my study because after that you know after 30 business में कभी भी manage कर सकती हूँ, but after 30 exam preparation में जाना would be difficult for me. So I want to use my young age for this thing.
So it was a wonderful conversation with you, Aarti. I really want to have a rapid fire round with you, जिसमें कि I'll be giving you like a word or whatever comes to your mind, like in one word. The first thought आपको वो बोलना है, rapid है, without thinking. So let's go. Diva,
Best.
magazine,
Leave a planet.
Crown Times,
Best pageantry institute.
pageants,
Good.
family,
Everything.
strength,
My father.
support,
My father and brother.
shortcomings,
Emotional.
work,
Enthusiastic.
female entrepreneurship,
Good idea.
hard work,
Energetically.
motivation.
My father.
Father comes in a lot of things. He's a big inspiration.
Very
Gratitude.
to my whole family.
That's very nice. You thankful to your family. Values.
Again, my family.
Family's given you the values. That's what you mean. Ethics.
Honesty.
And challenges like not giving up. What do you mean? Like never give up.
Yes,
Yeah. What comes to your mind when I say never give up?
anything. Whatever you are doing, your dreams. Don't give up on your dreams.
Dreams.
I don't want to disclose it now.
That's a secret. Okay, let's conclude this, and I hope to. It was a great podcast. It was a great conversation with you, and I hope to discover your dreams again कि मैं आपको दोबारा बुलाऊं and after some time and let's just keep your dream part be undisclosed and have a further conversation on your interesting and so much inspiring journey and it was a pleasure talking to you and I hope जो भी हमने बात करी है about the female entrepreneurship about the hardships and people listen to it and they get inspired और अगर इसमें से कोई एक entrepreneur भी इसको देख के बन गया I think this was worth it this conversation.
Obviously, if it will be like that will be the best.
Yeah, exactly. Anyway, and good luck for your examination and for your pageant and for your magazine. I really wish you all the success.
Thank you so much. It was really a nice session. Thank you so much to you, to your whole team for inviting me, and it was really a nice conversation with you. And I like never feel someone is going to invite me on podcast because I'm a person who is nowhere. At least I'm not also on a social media. So I was like, I don't know even someone know about me.
Right.
But you gave me the chance, so that really matters for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. But I think Shreya invited you and
Yeah, thank you so much, Shreya.